Assalamu alaikum and good morning, 3 class. I hope all of you will be fine and enjoying good health. I'm your English teacher, Iram Fatma from the Educators Hafizabad campus. Today, date is 3rd May 2021. Day is Monday. Our topic is difference between season and weather from resource pack page 10 and 11. Now 3 class, open your resource pack page 10. Do you know about weather in season? Okay, what is weather? Weather is the daily state of the atmosphere or air in any given place. Means it is the daily state of the atmosphere. Weather is sunshine, rain, snow, wind and storms. It's what is going on outside right now. Now you can go outside and check the weather, what the weather is. In present condition, it is sunny because summer season is going on, so that's why weather will be sunny. The weather is different at different places around the planet, like sunny, windy, snowy, foggy, rainy, cloudy. Now we will learn the difference between weather and season. The difference between season and weather is that season cannot change every day and last over 3-4 months, whereas the weather can change every day. Therefore, we can say that seasons have a longer duration than the weather. Means seasons change after 3 or 4 months, but weather can change on daily basis. Now open your next page, page number 11 of your resource pack. Seasons and weathers. A season is a division of the year marked by change in weather, ecology and the amount of daylight. Means season is a division of the year marked by change in weather. Weather is just the state of the atmosphere at any time, including things such as temperature, precipitation, air pressure and cloud cover. Daily changes in the weather are due to winds and storms. Seasonal changes are due to the earth revolving around the sun. Means seasons change when the earth revolves around the sun. After 3 or 4 months, seasons change, but weather change on daily basis. Now look at all these pictures. Winter. Winter is a season, and weather in winter, weather will be different. In November, it will be foggy, December snowy, in January it will be sunny, and February it will be cloudy. Next spring season, in spring season weather will be also change. In March it will be rainy, April cloudy, partially cloudy, sunny, stormy and hailing. Summer season, weather will be sunny, windy, rainy, cloudy and stormy. In autumn season, weather will be also different. In the month of October, it will be sunny, windy and rainy. Now come to the page 10. What would be the weather like in each season? Here you will write in summer season, autumn season, winter and spring. You will write in summer it will be sunny, windy, rainy. With the help of resource pack page 11, in autumn, either it is sunny, cloudy or windy. You will write here in winter, spring also, okay? Now note your diary, read page 10 and 11 of resource pack plus learn question number 1 and 2 from the resource pack page 10. Question number 1. What is weather? Weather is the daily state of the atmosphere or air in any given place. Question number 2. What is the difference between weather and season? The difference between season and weather is that season cannot change every day and last over 3-4 months, whereas the weather can change every day. You will learn these two questions, question number 1 and 2 from resource pack page 10. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.